Hey everybody, it's Scott Kafka with the Feldman Group Real Estate Team here in beautiful historic Summerville. We're here in Azalea Park, just a few steps away from a listing we have on 408 South Magnolia Street, listed for $435,000. I'm here to invite y'all to an open house on Saturday from 12 to 3. Come on down, we're gonna have mimosas, and just follow me around town. I'm gonna show you some of the sites that this area has to offer. Here we are in downtown Summerville. We're in this nice stretch we're gonna walk through. It's all kinds of shops. This is actually the town hall where we're gonna walk through, and the courthouse is over to our right. So follow me. As you can see behind me, a lot of quaint shops. Get that great small town feel. But as you can see, what's going on around this place is growing by leaps and bounds, and it's just a few small steps away from 408 South Magnolia. Just from right here where I'm standing, we have a brew pub, a Greek restaurant, an Italian restaurant, a hobby shop, a short walk away from the property at 408 South Magnolia. You can't get much better than this. Hey, thanks for coming downtown with me. Hope to see you Saturday, 12 to 3. Mimosas on me. See you soon.